Hi, this is Siley from Siley's Art. Today's video is about a Halloween costume you can make for your kid easily at home. My theme was a pirate. This is a cap. It's 3 inches bigger than your child's head and almost 4.5 inches taller. You'll find all the dimensions on the scale. I have just cut 2 pieces of black card sheet and did stick them together with Fevicol to make it look like a pirate cap. Draw a skeleton on the white paper and just stick it on the top of the cap. Now you will need a piece of black paper to cover one eye of your pirate. To tie it, use a rubber thread which is on the happy birthday cap. I have changed it at the last moment. Now, interesting part is the sword which I made using a cardboard. It's 13 inches long and its handle is 6.5 inches long. All the sizes are as per the child. They can be changed. For the sword, I have used a silver paper and a black card sheet. It's a easy way to dress up like a pirate. Thank you. Have a great day.